What the sauce is up, YouTube? I just got my car back from a 2.5 week extravaganza. You might be asking yourself, what's that even mean? Well, I'm gonna show you. So, see that? Impressive, right? So right over here, we have this little part, right? You might be asking yourself, wow, what the sus does that mean? Well, guess who knows what that part does? This kid. And you might be asking yourself, what does that part do? Well, I'm gonna explain. So, it's like a tube, right? But it's split. So there's stuff on top and stuff on bottom, right? It divides the airflow. Half of it controls my transmission, which is a weak point on these old Volvos. The other half controls the brakes, which is an important part of staying alive. But most of the time, you don't need brakes because you're just going fast, you know, Lightning McQueen style. So, we have 3 weeks before the Sun Valley Tour de Force. 2 weeks, 2.5, and we're doing some final touch-ups. You might be asking yourself, what did I just grab off my car? Well, I'm gonna tell you. See these little side marker lights on the side of my car? Right there? That's not focusing? Yes, those are the ones I'm talking about. They're okay. They're not very bright. So, your boy got some LED tinted ones. They kind of sit on the car, you know, make light things that lights do and plug into the car. What? So in today's video, we're gonna be crushing those lights out and cutting part of my fan shroud, which is this thing. One moment, folks. Ugh. You might be asking yourself, why are you using this old crusty dusty fan shroud? Because I don't want to buy a new one. Why would I buy a new one? There's no reason. That's why I'm not buying a new one. Answer your own problems. Fibonacci sequence style. Illuminati. Yeah, we're gonna cut a little chunklet out of this corner because it's hitting some pipes. And those pipes are crucial. Without them, my car won't move forward or backward or start because the engine does not get any air. I'm gonna go pass out because I haven't taken a breath in half an hour. Let's get into it! Yeah! Alrighty, folks. So what we're gonna be doing right now, we're gonna be looking into these strange, mysterious lights. Let me get a phone out so that you guys can see. And you can't even really see into there. See where that little black cord is? See how they kind of line up? Right there and right there? Whoops. Ow! That is where the wire goes to connect the lights. So right now, I'm gonna do some investigating on the best camera angle for you guys. And then we're just gonna put the new lights on. That's about it, except for cutting the fan shroud, because the fan shroud, it's these little baby pipe down there, see? Right about there. I know you can't see because the lighting's horrible. And you got all these wires and everything. But yeah, so it's an elite build. We got a bunch of other things to do throughout this 2.5, 3 week thing. I'm gonna be cranking out probably 2 more videos, maybe 1 more. The other one's gonna be like final touches before the Tour de Force, because we gotta do some repainting. Because my car is gonna be in a car show with like another Porsche. That's an off-road Porsche. It's on my Instagram. I took it to Jarbidge, Nevada with this car. And that's gonna be like, me and him are gonna be duos. I'm gonna meet the previous owner of this car, which I am excited about because I've never met him. I've only talked to him through text. I just know he's an awesome sauce type of guy because he built this awesome sauce type of car. My shin's itchy right now, so that's what I'm doing. Yeah, so we're gonna figure out these bad boys. Those little lights right there. And then I'll get right back to you guys. Okay, folks, so after getting 1.5 pounds of sand dumped in my eyes from my car,
my bad,
we can see that there's a little baby clip right there. So you push on this.
I was right.
You push on this, and then it kind of just poops out. Wow. Look at that, folks. Dirty, dirty, dirty. But that's okay. So now we gotta figure out these They look the same, but they don't at the same time. They both got the clip. Okay. So I'm gonna freaking break my car right now and break my wrist because I'm trying to film. And yeah. Alrighty folks, so we're gonna like dissect these. It appears it doesn't want to come off. It's almost like the manufacturer was like, why? Why would someone ever want to do this? And then here I come along and I'm just like, I'm gonna build my car. Yeah. So I'm gonna freaking break some stuff and you know, do as one does. And I'll get back to you. Oh, I'm pretty special. You know in Harry Potter, the twist and flick.
Wingardium Leviosa.
That's what you do, Schlog. That's all you do is just beep, 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 beep. But here's the change. I think we pull the LED bulb out and plug this into it. That would make the most sense to me.
Okay.
So we're gonna do that, folks.
Wait. Big side toward the back.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Think of it like a car. The narrowest part's in the front.
Really?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Okay, folks. We're gonna turn that on and see how it goes. Wait. Oh yeah. And then this. Twist. Twist. Twist and flick. One moment, folks. We'll be right back. Oh my goodness! Look at that. Sorry for the loud noises.
In the car yet, or do we want to wait?
Let's see a different. That's what it looks like. Nice, calm, and composed, but dark like a Cheeto.
For the record, the camera does not do it justice.
And here's the other one, just freaking blinking like a blinker does. Like what the blink? T, hit the hazard lights again so we can see the difference. Wow, slick as a green bean. Okay, folks. Here's my brother,
Hello.
baby brother / older brother.
/ older brother.
Put this Long Johnson in there, T. Oh my goodness gracious. And remember the twist and flick method? You gotta go further on.
There we go. This one does not like twisting. There we go.
Beautiful as a butterfly. There's gonna be a satisfying moment. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god! What the?
I'm trying not to scuff your plastic. There we go.
Wowzers. Let's get a turn on. Oh my goodness. Front blinkers blinking. Other side blinkers blinking. These blinkers blinking. Woo! The blinkers are officially blinking. Now we gotta cut up the fan shroud like, and then that's the video. Short video, I know, right? It's probably gonna get really long because I'm probably gonna break something really important in my car. Yeah, that's what I do. But that's only what real mechanics do. Break their car so a daily driver becomes a not that. So we're gonna cut the fan shroud up, do some Monopoly gambling, and then that's just the way the cookie crumbles today. Okay, folks. So currently, I'm trying to remove obstacles so that we can look at where the fan hits, how to counteract that hitting, and then we'll take the step from there because we can't find a Dremel. So we're gonna put some of these in. Ba-boom. Lots of things don't like being put into this car, this being one of them. And you know, just some issues. There we go. So now she's going nice and freaking not good. I'm gonna do some problem solving, folks. Okay, folks. So let me orient you over here so I can explain what's going on. So there are some pipes. Sorry. there are these pipes right here, right? They come up, they work perfectly. But when this fan comes down, it puts too much stress on the pipe, making like little air gaps. And if you don't know, that could be a big problem. So we're gonna do some not so logical thinking here and make some incisions that are necessary. Move the fan over. Should work. Yeah. Okay, folks, so I gotta find something to cut a fan with because, yeah. So I'll get back to you when I cut one of my fingers off. That's just the way the cookie crumbles. The hands are dirty, like a hard-working person. And shortened up radiator fits. Would you believe that? Would you believe that? Oh, not radiator, fan shroud. My bad, folks. Whoopsies.
We did not cut the radiator. If we did, the car would not run. Or at least would not run properly. I'm sorry, he's zooming in.
Okay, folks, I'm trying to show you what happened. So this pipe was getting clattered, right? This one I'm pointing to. We just undid that. I mean, I am absolutely sure my car hates itself right now. Like, man, I just lived this awesome life, became this freaking Sycosaurus Rex car with a pink truck on top of it, and then some little dumpster child like me, quote back to 2019. So yeah, we gotta connect some pipes, and then we're freaking ready to blow up another transmission. Yeah! I'm sitting here editing the video. This morning I was driving my Volvo on the highway. Hear a big downshift, brum pop. What could that be? I had my transmission replaced, so luckily it's under warranty. He's going down to the nearby biggest city to get a new shift solenoid. So videos are going to be kind of weird the next 2 weeks, but the plan is to have it back by the Tour de Force. I will have one more video for you guys. 2, but I'll post the second one after the Tour de Force because I'll be in Boston for a hockey tournament. But I'm just warning you, stuff's about to get freaky AF before the Tour de Force because my car blew up. Kinda. Yeah.
Let's try not to do that.
My parents would, they'd send me back for sure. My parents, if you didn't know, quote, and I quote, Mama says, well, Cooper says first, Mama, am I adopted? Mama says, yes. Like, what? We're gonna connect some pipes. We're gonna freaking blow the car up, and we'll be right back once the whole house is on fire. What the sus is up, my Triceratops Rexes? I don't have a name for my subscribers yet, but let's check the current subscriber count. You ready? Open YouTube Studio. See? Let's check. Hold on, folks. 34 subscribers. And guess what we just hit on Instagram? 308 followers. I mean, what the sus? It's awesome sauce. So we got this on. Bam! We got this on. Bam! We got this on. All the wiring's connected, you know, as one does. I'm gonna freaking plop this thing in there. Beep, 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 beep. I have to put the code in. Beep, 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 beep. Code has been put in. Beep, beep, beep. Get in! Beep, beep, beep.
Is that part of the code, the screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think my car's gonna blow up. Why won't this move? Bobby Boucher. Boop. Oh my scrumptious. Holy moly. We're gonna open the garage, start this puppy, and watch the pistons shoot out of the car. like gasoline. That's how you know it's a successful build. Thank you, my loyal people. T-Rexes or whatever I called you. For watching this insane video. We got pink truck. We got frickin' the dope little lights. Oh my goodness. We got the new radiator. No, I'm special. The new fan shroud.
It's not even new. Augmented.
The piping is freaking piped up. ECU needs some work.
That'll be the next project.
No it's not.
Okay.
The next project, folks, you might be asking yourself, Cooper, what's the next project? Actually, folks, funny you might ask that. So we gotta repaint some of this black. Because there's some chips and it has to look spicy AF for my people. We're also gonna repaint this because when I got towed like 6 times in a row, like this kind of like got dirty on the highway. And we have these little, I don't know how to explain it. The Volvo logo literally looks like, it's like an elk. I don't know what it actually is. It's like an elk, like, no. You know what I'm saying? And it's like yellow. It's like the most random logo you've ever seen. You've probably never even seen it before. Look it up. Comment what you think about it. You know, give me your opinions. And that's gonna go somewhere like right around here because I have 2 of them. And they'll probably go like right here or like behind the door or something. Like some cars have like logos on the sides of their cars, if that makes sense. And then the other thing we're gonna do is this metal piping really does not look good when people are like looking from the side at my car. Like as you walk up, you can just see this little turd hanging out of the car. We gotta fix that. Ow, I just got jumped by a jacket. So the way we're gonna fix it is by, I have a plastic dark version. It's for like gutters. And we're going to frickin' connect them, and like, so final touch-up videos before the Tour de Force, and then we're gonna be cranking out Tour de Force videos because, that's just like, I'm just a frickin' cookie monster. As I do in all of my videos. Pink truck out.